How to get Cash App barcode to load money. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get the Cash App barcode to load money, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. Basically, if you want to send money or receive money on Cash App, you have to open Cash App. You have to enter the dollars worth of money that you want to send, tap on pay and select an address or the addressee or the recipient to whom you want to send the money. But let's say you have the QR code of the other person, you want to load that QR code, or maybe you want to send your own QR code or barcode to your friend in order that they can send the money to you. It's very simple. Just tap the little square icon which you see on the top left hand side of the screen. Then over here you'll find the option called My Code. Basically this is your own Cash App code. If you want your friends to send you money, you can take a screenshot of this and then actually send it to your friends. The other is, let's say if you want to scan someone's QR code, you can do so directly by coming to scan, or if you want to choose an image from a gallery, select scan a QR code from gallery over here, then it will be able to simply load you the QR code, and basically that's how you do it. Or else you can tap on My Code, you can share the code with your friends, and then they will be able to send money back into your account. And that is it for today's video on how you can actually get the barcode to send money on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.